Hi guys, this is Leah with Scott Leroy Marketing, and in today's tip video I'm going to show you what to do if you are receiving an error message in Dotloop when you are trying to submit a green sheet. You may be experiencing a red banner going across your screen that says invalid credentials and that a valid eEdge account is required to create a green sheet. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like first, error message, and then I'll show you how you can go about getting around that and how to fix that. So first of all, in order to create a green sheet in Dotloop, as you most likely know, you'll go ahead and click on View Details under the loop name, okay, the property address at the top of your loop. So clicking on View Details in red here. And then you'll see the option to submit to green sheet on the top right. Okay, so this is what that error message looks like. It says invalid credentials, a Keller Williams eEdge account is required to submit to green sheet. Okay, and if you are with KW, you more than likely have a valid eEdge account, all right? So first of all, the first thing you'll want to make sure you're doing is that you're logging into MyKW to access Dotloop. So if you are logging into dotloop.com directly, you will not be able to submit to Greensheet from that way, okay? Again, you would have to log in to mykw.kw.com. Okay, so you're seeing on the top of my address bar, mykw.kw.com. And you would have to click on Start My Transactions in blue on this top center eEdge control panel, okay, because that's connecting your eEdge to your Dotloop. All right, so I want to click Start My Transactions here. All right, and that should take you to your Dotloop account right away. Okay, where I'll be able to go ahead and click on any of the loops in my account and repeat that process. So I'll click on View Details on the top of my loop under the loop name in red here. And now I can click Submit to Green Sheet on the top right, and that will pull up my green sheet right away here. Okay, so again, the main reason that typically happens is you are not logging in through mykw.kw.com, so you will always need to click Start My Transactions through there. All right, so let's say the next scenario is that is how you're accessing your Dotloop account and it's still giving you that invalid credentials error message. Okay, you'll just need to call Dotloop for them to fix that up, and their phone number is 513-257-0558. Again, their support number is 513-257-0558. You can also find they have a different support number too on the very bottom of every page in Dotloop. You'll be able to access their phone number as well. Okay. Now, if you call them, just to let them know that you're receiving that invalid credentials error message there, sorry, and that you need your single sign-on reset. What they'll do is they'll disconnect your Dotloop account from MyKW so that you can go back in to MyKW, click Start My Transactions, relog into Dotloop to link your account back up. Now let's say you are in a hurry and you just need a green sheet created ASAP and you don't have time to give Dotloop a call right now. No worries, you can also access a green sheet by logging in through MyKW, hovering over technology on the top black toolbar. Click on green sheet from that drop down there. And then you'll have the option to create a green sheet right from there. Okay, on the top right here, you'll see it says create a green sheet on the top right green toolbar. All right, so that will allow you to create a green sheet right away, especially if that is time sensitive for you. If you have any other questions on that, feel free to email us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we're more than happy to help. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care, guys.